All right, can you go ahead and give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel? Today I have a 2019 Nissan Titan, and I'm going to show you where all the hidden compartments are located, as well as the slushy holders and places where you could just put things, okay? So I'm sitting behind the driver's wheel, okay? I'm going to look down there, voila, voila. Put some 2 slushies right here. You can actually put a newspaper back there. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's move around, all right? So look right here. You can hide some stuff in there. Down here, you can put some stuff. 2 more slushies. Boom. All right, let's go up in here, in the middle console. Lift that up. Whoa. You can hide some stuff way down here. Let's go in there. I mean, it's actually small down there. I could probably fit down in there. All right. Put some stuff down in there. And there's this little tray right here that comes out. Pretty cool. I'm going to close on that. We're going to move around. Look right here. The glove compartment box. You can hide some gloves in there. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. What is this? I don't even know what that is. I don't know. I'm not going to play with that. I'm going to look down there. 2 more slushies. Another newspaper. All right. And in the back, you have some places where you can put some stuff. Slushies, slushies, slushies. This place is incredible. Let me know if you have any questions.